Good afternoon, everyone. The scope of the project entitled Rice Farming. The proposed project focuses on generating a sustainable rice farming. It is located near a water source or irrigation and nearby housing communities approximately 500-meter distance from the field. The estimated kilogram of rice grains to be used is 40 kg per hectare. The estimated bags of fertilizers require 6 bags per hectare and approximately 10 gallons of pesticides. The rice field has 10,000 square meters equivalent to 1 hectare. The liquid effluents includes wastewater irrigation, and for the gaseous effluents involves greenhouse gas emissions, methane 6 and nitrous oxide respectively. So for the first column, these are the activities of the project. The second column, these are the result of the activities that might cause a risk. The third column, these are the result of the causes that can create a possibility of a negative impact. For the fourth column, these are the activities done, equipment introduced or utilized, guidelines that is implemented to reduce, avoid, or transfer the probability of such risk from happening. For the fifth column, these are the negative results arising from risk that actually happens. For the last column, these are the activities done, equipment introduced or utilized, guidelines that is implemented to reduce, avoid, or transfer the severity of impacts. So there are 5 pre-activities in rice farming, 5 activity proper, and 5 post-activity. So example in pre-activity is the owner select and evaluate a land to be purchased. The cause of the risk, the purchased land has no permit, and for the potential risk, loss of money or a prolonged court case. To prevent the potential risk, secure notarized and signed deed of sales, and for the impact, the owner of the salesperson gets penalty, and to mitigate that impact, conduct a thorough inspection of the property. For the activity proper, clearing and weeding the field. The causes of the potential risk is the field has lots of stones and broken glass bottles that can lead to injuries, and to avoid injuries, always wear proper protective safety equipments. And for the potential impacts, increase absenteeism. To reduce the severity of impact, provide safety equipment and emergency procedures. For the post-activity, the threshing, the cause of the risk is improper maintenance of threshing machine that can lead to accident. To avoid that risk, conduct proper maintenance of the machines and equipments. For the potential impacts, less profit. To mitigate the severity of impacts, regular maintenance of equipment is needed. Another example of post-activity also is transporting. The causes of the activity is the delivery vehicle was not checked. The potential risk might be explode. To avoid explosion, perform safety inspection of the vehicle before transporting. The impact could be fatality, and to avoid fatality, provide safety equipment in training. That's all about rice farming. Thank you and good afternoon.